How to get content ideas for your Instagram Reels in less than 2 minutes. So the first thing that I would do is look up the relevant contents and how they relate back to your niche topics. To do that, I would go over to Answer the Public, open up their handy dandy little app, and this pulls up relevant and recent searches on the topics that you type in to Answer the Public. So for me, I'm going to type in Instagram growth. So when you type in your topic into Answer the Public, then you want to scroll through and look for things that you can answer with your content pillars. Third one down here, Instagram growth strategy. I'm going to go ahead and take that one. So I would go back then to Instagram, go to the search or the Explore tab and type in Instagram growth. Now on this For You tab, it's going to show you accounts that are doing well. It's going to show you content that is doing well. It's going to show you also accounts that Instagram feels you may also like. This is a good place to start. It's not the only place to go, but let's start in here. You can go through here and look for content that you could redo. Now, I'm not saying to copy this content. I'm not saying to do exactly what they have done. Instead, I want you to use this content as inspiration. I want you to look at it and think about how you feel differently about that topic or what you could do differently, say differently, something like that. You want to take the idea, but not the execution. You want to change the execution to be your own. So like this first post that I pulled up, 24 viral hooks for rapid growth. It is a single image post. I could do something like this in a reel or in a carousel post explaining what a viral hook is, the process for finding the viral hook, explaining more about a viral hook. And rather than giving as many as this creator gave, I could give 1 or 1 to 5, not copying what she has done, but just using what she did to get 4,889 likes out of this piece of content and making my own version of that type of content. It's as simple as that.